everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you this really cute lamp from SBD London. I've just got to sort my camera out because I can't get the whole box in the screen. It's beautifully packaged. It comes in the normal blue holographic box, but it's got this sleeve over the top, so it kind of keeps the box closed and shows you what's inside. I absolutely love this box. It is so thick and it's really just, oh my god, the packaging on this gel polish is just, even though this isn't gel polish, but the packaging for the lamp and the gel polish is just beautiful and I love it. And I've actually had to keep this box because I'm gonna have to find something to put in it because I just love it. I'm gonna take the lamp out. Pop. So inside you get this really cute little lamp. Actually, it's not that little. It's not massive. It's just a nice, an inside look. I wanted to show you the Be Inspired because I like that. Ignore my charging cable. I have to plug my phone in when I record. So yeah, so let me just put the phone back up. And inside, so you can see the lamp is really beautifully, snugly packaged between polystyrene, and it's got like a protective, you know, what those like sleeve around it. But then when you take it out, it's also like not vacuum packed, I don't know what the word is. It's covered in like cellophane. You get your little instructions, though to be fair, if you've seen one lamp, they're all pretty self-explanatory. They're not difficult, which is good. So look, when I see what I mean, it's got like cellophane around it as well, which keeps the power lead inside. I'm just going to undo this. I think someone rang me because my phone cut off here. And I'm back. I don't know, you might not even have noticed if I hadn't have said anything, but I love the little heart on the base of this as well. Look at the little heart. How cute is that? It's got a little heart on it. The top sticks to the bottom. It's connected by magnets. There's 2 on each side. So they just connect there, which keeps them together. There's the little power socket on the other side there. So it's got a little gap at the back. So the base comes off, I assume that's if you're doing like feet or whatever. Stinky feet. And it's got the buttons on the back. So there's 4 little buttons. They push in quite nicely. You know, like buttons are quite nice to push. These are quite nice to, it sounds weird. I like to push people's buttons. Actually, I don't really. So those are all the little LED lights inside. Just in case you want to have a little look at those. I'm going to put that back on. It's quite a light lamp as well. It's not heavy, which I quite like. And then it's really nice to receive a lamp that has an English plug on it. I can't tell you, I was literally so happy about that. So I'm going to plug it in. And you can see here now that the power adapter is plugged into that little side socket there. So that's where that goes. And it's got the little LED screen at the front. Oh, I just knocked it off. There we go. And so it's got the SBD London logo on the front. I was going to turn the light off so you could see the LEDs, the numbers, but you can see them pretty well anyway with the light on. So you've got your 10-second button, your 30-second button, your 60-second button, and your 99-second button, which is your low power, your low heat mode. And when you switch them on, as soon as you push them, the lamp will come on for the however many seconds that you've pushed the button wise. Does that make sense? So like if you push 10 seconds, you get 10 seconds on. If you push 30, you get 30 seconds on. When you put your hand in, I'll show you in a second. So yeah, with the 99-second, it seems to count upwards. But when you put your hand in, it will just automatically start to count up. If you put your hand in and pushed one of the buttons, it will count down for those seconds that you pushed the button for. I think I'm making sense. Yeah. So I've been using this lamp for a few days and I really like it. It's very nice. Very happy with it. Really light, very nice lamp. Like it a lot. The next thing I've got to show you is a collection of gel polishes from SBD London, obviously, because this is an SBD London video. I'm going to show you the Opal Crush collection or series. It is a absolutely beautiful collection. If you don't have any SBD London gel polishes, these ones you just need to try. Oh, and a white and a black, because you put these over a base colour. So you can see there's ever so fine flakes through those, and there's all different colours. There's 6 gel polishes, which I'm going to open up individually, and I'm going to show you them obviously all separately. I'm really annoyed with my phone. The colour keeps changing. It keeps going from like a light to a kind of beige. It's really weird. Look how gorgeous that is. So I'm swatched them over white and black so you can see the difference. So you get a completely different look depending on what colour you put them on. I'm going to use the tempering top coat to top coat all of these swatches because I love this top coat as well. So obviously if you put it over like a pink or a blue or a green or whatever, you'd get a completely different look as well. So they're going to be really nice to play around with. So this is Opal Crush number 1. Then Opal Crush number 2, I'm going to show you it quickly in the bottle so you can just get a quick idea of what it looks like. Because you can see it over the black brush and over the... Oh, okay, maybe not. So here we go. I love this one over white and black. The black one just screams autumn to me. This is what I like about these gel polishes, is you just get a different look, whichever colour you have it on. So this is Opal Crush number 3. Oh, this one is so... I love this one over black. Look how nice that is over black. Funnily enough, I'm not so keen on it over the white. But the black, I love it so much. So that's Opal Crush number 3. Number 4. I had to zoom in a little bit. I'm not quite sure why, but I did. Maybe I zoomed out by accident. So this is a like purpley greeny kind of... Oh, I just love them so much. So you get... Oh, look at the black though. It's like a purpley blue. I just think these... I just love these. Number 5. Opal Crush number 5. Oh, look at that. So this is going to be a pinky colour over the black. Pinky goldy colour. And I really like this one over white. That greeny pink looks gorgeous. I love that one. And then we're going to show you Opal Crush number 6. This is one of my favourites as well, over both colours. But I particularly like this over white. But it looks really nice over black too. You get like... They're like chameleon flakes, aren't they? And then they're really, really gorgeous. So that was the last one. Opal Crush number 6. So I'm going to do a quick set. Hi again. Not that I've gone anywhere. I'm using Opal... No, this is 002. So this is SBD London's white gel polish. So this is going to be the base colour for all our nails today. And then I'm going to be using Opal Crush number 6, which you will have just seen. But I'm going to show you it now again anyway. It's this one. Oh gosh, I love it. I just love it. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of white over all 5 tips that I've got out. I just show you me doing the first couple, maybe like the first one and a bit, and then okay, maybe the first one, and then I've gone ahead and I've already put the second coat on those first 2 nails, but I just showed you me doing the second coat on one of them. I don't know why, I just did. There is 2 coats on there though. Then I'm going to go ahead and put 1 coat of Opal Crush number 6 to every other nail. So 3 of the nails are going to have Opal Crush on and 2 of them are going to be left white. And the middle one and both end ones are going to have the Opal Crush on. I just love it over white. It's got like a bluey pinkiness to it. I love these kinds of gel polishes though. And then the last nail. They're quite thick as well, these gel polishes. A little bit goes a long way. It spreads really nicely, if you know what I mean. There we go. Don't they look stunning already? Oh, I just wear them like that. Then I am going to apply the tempering top coat to every single nail so that we've got a nice finished shiny surface. I wanted these to be shiny, not matte. The The only thing is when you've got like top coated nails, it's difficult. I find it easier to do a design on a matted or buffed surface, but I wanted this surface to be shiny, and then I wanted the stars that we're going to put on to be matte. So the colours I'm using for the stars are from the Secret Garden collection. So we've got 01, we have got, I wanted to remember to show you this time, 06, 09, and then if I can get it off, 02. I have got a video of these, of me swatching these, so I'll have to get that up. I think it's these ones. So there we go. I've put them on my glitter tray, which I use as my palette. And to make the star, I googled this, what's the best way to do freehand stars, because I am rubbish at doing 5-sided stars. So oh my goodness, I think I just wet myself. Moving on swiftly, I'm doing 5 points. So I'm doing a star with just the points poking out like that. And then between the arms, I'm going to call them arms, we do little arms. So you bring little arms out ever so slightly, and you do one of those in between each of the longer arms or lines like that. And then each end of the longer line you're going to line up with the shorter line. I hope I'm making sense, but you can see what I'm doing. I was like, oh my god, that's a really good way of doing it. But even some of them they still didn't look quite right. So we're there, and then you just fill the colour in, fill it all in, and you should get some kind of 5-pointed star. Actually, this one wasn't too bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, this one. And then I am going to just sprinkle some clear acrylic over the top. This is what's going to make it matte. It just saves us going over it with like matte top coat, because it can be quite fiddly. Pop that in the lamp for just over 60 seconds. And then brush off the excess acrylic powder. And then you're left with a matte star over your shiny white gel polish. So I'm going to put a star on every single nail. Not necessarily all in the same place. I kind of wanted them a little bit, a little bit scattered. And if you're feeling brave, you can put smaller stars and little stars. You know, like my heart nails I done the other day. You can do, you can have bigger hearts and little hearts. You can do the same thing here. You can have big stars and little stars, but I wasn't feeling brave enough because I'm not very good at doing stars as it is. So I'm just going to show you me doing this one. I've made come off the nail ever so slightly. I'm just going to show you me doing this one. So again, I'm just putting some shorter lines in between the longer lines, and then I will connect them up. This one was a little bit skew-if, and I kind of had to, I'm sure it was this one. You'll see me kind of try and save it. But do bear in mind that because you have top coated it, if you do muck up or it goes completely wrong, you can just wipe the gel off with some alcohol and just start again. Or gel residue wipe off solution, something like that. So I'm just going to fill the rest of the colour in. And you can see it looks slightly skew-iffy, so I'm just trying to make it a slightly better shape here, just more even. There we go, I was happier with that. And then I'm just going to sprinkle it over again with some of that clear acrylic. And then because these SBD London gel polishes cure for 60 seconds, so I like to slightly over cure when I do this. So if it's like a 30-second curing time, I'll cure it for about 40. I think I just added on another 10 seconds for this as well. and then wipe off the excess, and you're done. And then I did go ahead and find another colour. I wanted a more purpley colour, so this is from the Garden series. This is 07. It's more of a lilac. I wanted to, because that first colour was blue, more blue, so I added the lilac-y colour on. And then this is the finished set. I really quite like these. I don't know that I'd be brave enough to put stars on my actual fingers, because I don't know, I've got more surface area with these nails. But anyway, I hope you like this set. I'm going to leave the link to SBD London's Facebook page and Louise's Nail Products group in the description box below. Go and check her out. Join the group. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing, and I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow. Bye!